Then we have this Encon Premiere. I got this from Bluebird. Here's the light. Nice blue ceiling fan. I didn't come with a bracket, so I had to put my gratings down on it and just, lazily put the bracket up there. Do not watch my wiring. The ground wire is exposed. I know, it's dangerous. But the ground wire doesn't draw any power, it like takes the power. This is low speed. It has to have back paddle. This is low speed. It has to have a back paddle. Like there's no way it can be this slow. Here's low speed. Cheetos mac and cheese. It's mid. Doesn't taste too good, doesn't taste too bad. That's as fast as it goes on low speed. I feel nothing off of this. Here's medium speed. So this thing was also slow with 2 blades on it. Here's high speed. As you can see, this is as fast as it goes. It's not very fast at all, but fair trade. I like this fan. It was a fair trade for me. I don't care how the fuck you guys think this trade goes, but I like the fan. Blue thingy.